All right, it's gonna be a super quick video on replacing a tail light on a 2009 Mercury Grand Marquis. So here's the bulbs I'm replacing with, 4157. So I can tell mine are out because when I put my right blinker on, it blinks normal for a couple of times and it fast blinks, click, 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 really fast. So that tells you that one of the bulbs on the right side are out. And when I hit my brakes, one of my bulbs is out here. So first thing you wanna do is get into your trunk and you wanna remove this carpet. You got these little clips here that you can pop off. So one there, and then you should be able to pull the carpet back. All right, that just Velcros there. And that will give you access to your light bulbs. So next thing we need to do is get to the light bulb. So each of those nuts is 11mm socket. So what you want to do is get your socket on there and remove those 3 nuts so that you can remove the tail light to get to the bulb. All right, so I unscrewed those 3 nuts. See, they're right here. Again, 11mm socket. Now your tail light should very easily slide out, just like that. Again, just be very careful because there are little plastic pins. All right, there it goes. Now it gives us access to our 2 bulbs right there. So again, I think my outer bulb is bad. So all you need to do is grab this and turn it counterclockwise. Comes out. And then check your filaments. This one looks good, so it might be my other bulb that's bad. You want to be careful. Make sure you don't touch the bulbs with your fingers. You don't want to get the oil and grease from your fingers. You can wear some gloves so that you don't touch it on accident. Just be careful. All right, let me get this one. Yeah, this filament looks good too. So let me double check which one of my bulbs is bad real quick. Yep. All right, so my inner one's good, my outer one's bad. All right, so you can see you can just use your t-shirt to grab the bulb so you don't get grease on it, oil on it. Replace the bulb, just pull the old one out, put the new one in, just be gentle so you don't crack the bulb, and it's good to go. So now you just screw this back in. You can see that it's not fast blinking anymore, and just kind of do the reverse of what you did, you know, gently get this back in. You can see one of my pins is broken, but you know, this one's still good. Just make sure you line up these pins and the bolts, get it in nice and slowly and easy, put the nuts back on, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.